Hello, this video is about Git rebase, which is a linear commit history. Before viewing this video, I urge the readers to view the video about the Git clone as well as the video about the Git push, Git pull, Git merge. The documentation has also been attached, as well as their videos has been attached, where you can where the discussion has been implemented with the help of some code as well as the proper documentation, which I will add here too. So this is git clone and git pull. In the same way, the documentation and the YouTube video about the push stash and merge is also implemented. Now the question before starting this video is that both the git rebase and the git merge does the same purpose. Then why do we need to study about the git rebase? So what is the main purpose of that? The main purpose of using the git rebase is that if you see these two screenshots, and you can see that when we are going with the git merge, you can see that the history is never linear. So it went like the two branches they merge and so on. So you can't get a very linear history. But whenever you see a git rebase, you will see that the history is the commit history is linear in nature, which is very easy to understand. So that's why I have added these two images to let you know the difference between git rebase and the git merge, else everything is the same. Now let's go for the steps. For example, you have the two branches. Let's suppose we working with the two branches. One is the main, another is the learn merge. Suppose now, if you can see that both the branches are at the same level because the commits in all the branches are the same, so none of the branch is a commit ahead. So that's a one part of that. So now the second thing is that let's suppose that we merge to particular branch has implemented something. Maybe we have added a new file, and then we have pushed the particular local changes to the that branch in the remote. Then you will see that yes, this particular branch in the remote is also one commit ahead of the main branch. Now there are two options: either you can merge the things to the main branch, or you can rebase the main over the other branch. So these two things can happen, but we are not going with the git merge here because you can see the history. But for the git rebase, the history is very linear. Now we can, if you want to do so, what you need to do is that first you need to switch to the main branch, and you have to execute this command, that is rebase current into selected. So you can use the PyCharm, any editor where you can find easily this command, that is a rebase current means main into selected means learn merge. Okay, and once you implemented that, why we do that, this will make the rebasing things, that is the main is rebase on the other branch, and the history is linear now. And once you execute git push force with the lease, you will see a proper linear history. So my purpose of this small video is that, so you can either go with the git rebase or the git merge. Both do the same purpose but in a different strategies, in a different ways. So the choice is yours. Before that, you can look into the whole documentation. I have added all the videos which has been added, everything. So it's a complete series on the git. So try to go step by step. Thank you.